Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: business manager, page, and payment set. First, choose one objective because Facebook optimizes differently for each. Next, pick your audience seed, custom list, lookalike, or interest clusters, and set geographic and age limits. Once done, assemble creatives: 1 to 3 images or a short video, a concise headline, and primary text that states benefit. Make sure your landing page matches the ad message to preserve relevant score and reduce wasted spend. You now create the campaign and choose budget type. Pick daily for control or lifetime for scaled delivery. In the ad set, define placements: automatic usually, but manual can reduce wasted channels. Select optimization events suited to objective, like link clicks or conversions, and choose a bid strategy that matches your ROI goals. Then craft audience logic. Include core interests, exclude existing customers, and add 1 or 2 lookalikes for scale. Finally, set a testing plan and launch it. You're ready to launch. Once live, monitor performance daily for the first 72 hours and then every few days after. Focus on conversion rate, cost per conversion, CTR, and ROAS. Those tell you if the funnel works. When an ad wins, scale by increasing budget 20% every 48-72 hours. Pause underperformers and test new creatives against the winner. If delivery stalls, make sure the pixel fires, bids are competitive, ad quality is high, and no policy issues exist. Fix these, then re-enable the ad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.